Well, this is an area, not surprisingly, of significant difference between Senator Warner and me. When the Affordable Care Act was moving through the House and the Senate, I said time after time that it was going to kill jobs, increase our costs, and hurt the quality of our care. Senator Warner promised Virginians when he voted for it that he was voting for it because it would bring down our health insurance premiums for businesses and individuals, and said that he would never vote for a bill that would mean losing our insurance if we wanted to keep it. We know neither of those things is true today, and I was right and he was very, very wrong on this very important issue. More importantly, he's wrong about what to do about it now, because Mark Warner wants to keep the Affordable Care Act in place and tweak it, and I believe it needs to be replaced with market-oriented reforms. The fundamental structure of Obamacare is designed to, over time, get us to a single-payer system, in my view. The incentives, the built-in mechanisms there in terms of the exchanges, the disincentives to keeping employers on your employer health care plan, I think are clearly designed over time to move us in that direction. So I would replace it with market-oriented reforms, and there may be some provisions that I would include in the replacement aspects of it, but the fundamental infrastructure of it is flawed and I believe needs to be replaced.